Welcome. If you've ever opened the X app on your computer and noticed it asking for your location, you're not alone. With the latest update, X makes it easier than ever to control what kind of data the platform can access. In this video, we'll go step by step through how to completely prevent X, formerly known as Twitter, from using your location on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account and your main feed is visible. Look toward the top of the page. You'll see 3 small dots in the corner. Go ahead and click them. Those dots are your navigation key to deeper settings on the platform. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Privacy. This is where all the controls for your personal information are found. Once you click Privacy, select Manage Privacy Settings. This section allows you to fine-tune who can see your information, how your data is used, and what permissions the site has on your device. Now, look for the option called Permissions for this site. This is where you'll manage access to your PC's features such as your camera, microphone, and, most importantly, your location. Once you've entered that menu, find the entry labeled Location. To fully block X from tracking or requesting your location, click the drop-down next to it and select Block. That's it. With this one change, you're telling your browser and the app not to share your location data under any circumstances. After you've selected Block, refresh the page or restart the X app to make sure your settings have been saved. From now on, X won't be able to detect or request your location, giving you more privacy and control over your online presence. And that's how you stop X from accessing your location on PC after the new update. If keeping your data private matters to you, taking a few minutes to change this setting is absolutely worth it.